Hello traders, welcome to Trading with KS. So today we are going to have another short session on KLSE on two stock, right, that I discussed some time back about better than fixed deposit. Okay, so before start, a bit of disclaimer. I share this video is just for education purpose, right? This is not a signal or a call for you to buy and sell stock. Okay, if you want to have professional advice in trading stock market, okay, please seek your professional advisor, professional consultant, okay, for any trading ideas. Okay, so I remember some time back, right? I talked about these two stock, GENTING and AirAsia, right? I said if you want to save money long term, right, putting in the FD, right, is not such a good return on investment, because FD we are talking about 1-2%, right? 1-2%. Actually, the inflation is 4%. Actually, the inflation itself will eat up your money, right? Let's say you have 100,000, right? You put in the bank, right? 100,000 can buy one Honda Proton car, Proton X90, right? Let's say Proton X90. Okay, 5 years down the road, maybe your money, okay, the 100,000 compound, maybe it really become 110,000. Okay, but the inflation rate is actually higher. So by the time 5 years later, just an example, this is not an actual calculation, I didn't do the calculation. Okay, just an example. Okay, the inflation by that time, by 5 years later, right, the Proton car actually is cost 120,000. Okay, the Proton X90. So now actually, if you at the time that you have 100,000, okay, it's adequate to buy a Proton X90. Okay, but after I put in FD, okay, I save the money for 5 years, maybe it become 110,000. Okay, just an example, but because the inflation rate, okay, the money drop faster than your accumulation of the money. So after 5 years later, actually you want to take up the same money, right, that you have put into bank, but you want to buy the same car, but the car already more expensive than the money you have. Okay, so this is what we say, that inflation actually higher than your compounding income. Okay, of your income, interest. Okay, so okay, that has been said. So remember this video, I said that, okay, if you have money, okay, and if you want a very good long-term investment, right, that can actually make more money than your fixed deposit, right? I also say EPF is a good investment, but EPF money you can't take out anytime. Okay, you only can take after you retire, but it's still higher than fixed deposit. Okay, if you want to save money long term, might as well you put in, okay, EPF. For me, I will put in EPF. Okay, so for me, right, let's say I got a lot of money and I don't want to take the roller coaster ride of the all the vaccine stock, who shoot up one day, okay, landslide tomorrow, shoot up one day, dive down tomorrow. This type of investment is very difficult to catch. So so for me, if I wanna safe investment, so I recommended, I said, actually I said that I would put in GENTING, or I would put in AirAsia, right? But GENTING is safer, right? Because AirAsia is a bit shaky. But also, if I put in AirAsia, also it's still okay. It's still worth it, okay. It's still not a very dangerous, okay, investment. Okay, so let's see what happened. Let me show you the video first. Okay, so let me show you the video first. This was the video. GENTING, okay, GENTING is a long-term investment. We're talking about the revival of the entertainment industry. Right now, the entertainment industry is all gone. Okay, the the uh, the airline industry, the entertainment industry, the tourist industry. Okay, all this is okay gone. Okay, since the last week, the announcement of the positive research of the COVID from Pfizer, right? Pfizer. So there is a actually there's a bounce on the a lot of these entertainment airline stock. So I just take one these entertainment stock. Okay, travel what do you call it? Tourist stock. So the price is actually surged, right? Came up. So for this kind of stock, if you want to trade, okay, this is not a 1 week, 2 week hold on. So the price will go up. So there's possibility. Okay, the price will come back here. Okay, that's all this. Okay, all these real high. You know. So this one is long term. Okay, if you want to hold, you want to do some FD. Okay, long term investment. Okay, if you think the FD money is not good enough, you want to put on something more interesting. I'm not saying okay, this will not lose money. There's no investment that guarantee earn money. Okay, except you put it in the FD lah, FD and EPF. Okay, preferably you put EPF. Okay, because EPF is the interest is higher than you put in the FD. Okay, if you got a lot, you want to save money, maybe every month you contribute more into your EPF. It's a better saving than take the money out. Okay, you still got extra, you put in FD. Okay, but don't tell the bank I tell you this, right? Okay, so this is the low, so the price really went came up to the low, now already you turn back. Okay, so if you want to hold longer, okay, this one might not move, okay, might not move in 5 6 months, maybe a year, then only shoot up when the vaccine is ready. So you don't know. Okay, if you want to buy here, you just treat it as an FD, wait for it to grow slowly. Okay, it won't shoot up like that unless tomorrow there's announcement that the vaccine is ready. Okay, so if you grab here, you still have you still grab it cheap. Okay, when the vaccine is not ready. Okay, because when the vaccine is ready, okay, you might be maybe when you want to grab the price is ready here. Okay, so this is long term investment. Okay, so this was Genting. So touch a bit about Asia. Okay, also got a positive, right? A positive Asia. Okay, also got a positive, right? A positive turnaround, but Asia currently their financial condition is not so good. Okay, so Genting is far stronger financially. Okay, not financially stronger position now. I'm not talking thing happening there. Okay, so if you want to buy Asia, okay, please you can go ahead. Okay, this is just my opinion. Okay, so this was the video, right? So you see the price is I marked down the price. Actually, it's 0.69. Okay. For Genting, the price we talked about that time was 0.379. Okay, 0.379. That time the price was 0.379. Here. Okay. Let's see today. Let's go into Genting today and see what actually happened. Okay. So Genting actually we talk about here. Okay, 379 that time. So I shared the video that time, 379. I say good opportunity, the price will come and test here. Okay, and test here, right? Or even higher. Okay. So what happened actually? The price actually did came, okay, to here. Okay, 4.78 and close around 5 ringgit. Okay, from 3,750 to 5 ringgit. So let's measure what is the gain, right? Okay, 379. Okay, so 32.09%, right? Here. Okay, 31.32%. So you already gain 30%. If I put the money in SFD, right, 1% per annum, right? How long do I gain 30%? 30 years, right? Now this one is how many months? Okay, so we talk about this time of November and December, right? Because why it surged so fast? Because of the vaccine news. Okay, vaccine is ready, Pfizer is ready, Moderna is ready. So I remember I said that the vaccine, when the vaccine is ready, the price will skyrocket. So this one, the rocket here. Okay, the long term, right? I very safe price lah, very safe lah, that I look forward to is this one, 5.6. Okay, this is the price that I think it will go. Okay, so now actually the price really went from what we talked about, right? Actually went halfway there. Okay, if we actually catch it here, okay, we are actually will gain from 370 to 560. Okay, 2 ringgit gain. Okay, but now the price will come here, but I think we still have a chance for the price to reach here. Okay, why I say the price good chance to reach here, because this was the price before COVID. You see, before 2019, okay, the price before COVID is March, so this was a drop, okay, from COVID. Also before COVID, right, the actual value of the Genting is between 625 and 5590, okay, 5590, around 560 lah, okay, around 560. So if the market goes back, right, I think at least Genting will rebound to the previous value before COVID. Okay, this is the true value of the company before COVID. Okay, so there's still opportunity to go up to here, but remember, investment, there's no guarantee. Okay, if something happened to Genting, okay, big problem, Genting, people infected by virus, infected by COVID, so Genting have to shut down, a second wave of virus around the area, impact, so it might goes down. Okay, so even this is not FD, okay, this is a possible investment, something that can gain higher than FD, okay, and is safer than those roller coaster stock, but no guarantee. If any bad news comes to Genting, it will still drop. Okay, no guarantee. Okay, but if everything goes well, okay, the no bad news about the infection, okay, around the area, or no intense infection in Malaysia, increased infection, total lockdown, all these things, so we expect it can go back to 5.6. Okay, but looking forward to this. And for Asia, right, okay, Asia, we were talking about here. We were talking about 660 last time. Okay, Asia 660. Okay, so that one is 30%, right? Let's measure how much gain Asia. 660. Okay, 660 to okay, 660 to current price here 990, right? Is 52% gain. 52% gain. So if I put 10,000 there, time now it's already 15,000, right? Okay, so this is a very good investment, right? So okay, so Asia still a bit more risky than Genting, because Genting is very financially strong. Asia is not so strong, but you see, those higher risk, right? Always higher gain, right? Asia is higher risk. That's why it's higher gain, right? Genting less gain because Genting is very solid. Okay, so normally more less risk, less gain, high risk, high gain. Okay, so Asia 50% over 50% gain. Okay, so this was what happened to these two stock. Okay, so this video that for today. Remember to share my video. Okay, like my video, and also subscribe. Okay, remember if you subscribe only you get the notification when I update new video. Okay, if you have anything to comment, okay, please also leave your comment. Okay, so that at least, okay, I know that you guys are interested, understand what I'm talking about. Okay, and also please stay safe from COVID. Okay, see you again next time. Bye bye.